Yes, my dear children, today we are going to discuss about the chapter 3, absorption by roots. Absorption by roots. You know very well, water is an essential component of protoplasm, and it is an universal solvent. What do you mean by universal solvent? Most of all the minerals and other solutes are dissolved in this water, and it is involved in almost all the chemical reactions that take place inside the cell. And water is needed for the plant for the following purpose. We can see it one by one. The first one, photosynthesis, that you know very well. Transpiration, transportation, the movement of salt, water and prepared food inside the plant is known as transportation. Mechanical function, it is mechanical function means the stiffness of plant tissue is because of turgidity. That means turgidity, I already discussed it earlier. Turgidity is a condition when the cell is filled with full of water, it becomes stiff. That condition of cell is known as turgidity. Okay, it is occurring by the help of absorption of water. And the stomatal movement, this water is controlling the opening and closing of stomata. And sixth one, maintaining plant's temperature. This plant is always absorbing sunlight and other radiation from the atmosphere, and for reducing this kind of heat and temperature, water is helping the plant to maintain the body temperature or maintain the plant temperature. And the next one, the need of minerals in plants. Minerals in plants. Minerals absorbed by the roots are required by the plants for the following purpose. That means the first one, magnesium is essential for synthesis of chlorophyll. The chlorophyll is essential component of the photosynthesis process, photosynthesis. And zinc essential for leaf formation. This leaf is needed for the plant for photosynthesis and its survival in this nature. So zinc is helping for the formation of leaf. Third one is calcium. It is maintaining the semi-permeability of cell membrane. Semi-permeability of cell membrane. And the fourth one is potassium. Controls the opening and closing of stomata. We already studied the potassium ion concentration theory. So potassium is essential for the opening and closing of stomata. And manganese essential for photolysis of water in photosynthesis. I already explained it. Photolysis of water. What do you mean by photolysis of water? The splitting of water molecules into H plus and OH minus ions. Splitting of water molecules into H plus and OH minus ions during photosynthesis. The nitrogen required for protein synthesis and growth. It is an essential element or mineral for the growth of plant. Nitrogen is very essential for the growth of plant. Next one, characteristics of root that make them suitable for absorbing water and minerals. What are the characteristics of root for absorbing water and minerals? It is the first one, branching nature. In this diagram it is you can see the branching nature of root. So it helps to from the tap root you can see many branches So they are increasing the surface area, providing the surface area for absorption of water and minerals. And unicellular root hair. Root hairs are present at the tip of root. So this root hair is unicellular in nature. Only one cell is present inside the root hair, and that also it is very thin, and lack of cuticle provide surface area, a huge surface area for the absorption of water and minerals. And the third one is thin permeable walls of root hair. So these root hairs are very important for the absorption of water, and in the root hairs thin cell wall is present, absence of cuticle, and this characters, this nature allowing free movement of dissolved substance in and out of the cell, So these are the characteristics of root, which is making them suitable for the absorbing water and minerals.